This 2020 Heartland ElkRidge 38 Flick is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, rear bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.